Have your umbrellas handy. The storms are back at noon. They were lurking off the coast, and now they're inland and making the drive pretty slick in Seminole County, as you see there. First Warning meteorologist Cam Tran tracking where they're heading next. Cam.
That's right. That live look at that I-4 tower camera, that's the Lake Mary exit. And that's where we're actually seeing a couple gusty thunderstorms rolling through right now. Here's a look at our first warning radar, scattered storms around, and here's a look at I-4. You can see this gusty thunderstorm right over Heathrow and Sanford. So it's a wet drive home for folks heading into Volusia and Seminole counties, especially again the Lake Mary Heathrow exit as well as the Sanford exit. It's all quite slick there with this cluster of thunderstorms moving through. About 100 lightning strikes with that, so quite a bit of lightning. Also seeing some pop-up showers in downtown Orlando. Thunderstorms right now just east of Windermere, and we're also seeing it in Ocoee out by the theme parks as well. We've got some gusty thunderstorms that are pulsing up here near Lake Apopka. This is right near Montbird and west of Ocoee and south of Zellwood. Watching that pretty closely as that's intensifying a bit, and we're also watching for storms near Ashtabula. Winding out the picture, seeing scattered storms up in northern Lake County and in Marion County. We had a strong thunderstorm earlier. Thankfully, that has weakened, but still a lot of lightning here with these thunderstorms over at Anthony, Ocala, Waresdale, pushing westward towards Denellen. So as we go through the rest of the evening, we do have the potential for strong to even isolated severe thunderstorms through about 6 o'clock tonight. Once we get past that 6 o'clock window, the severity of the storms will go down, but we're still watching for boundary collisions. As we take a look at your 12-hour forecast, still keeping storms around through just before sunset. Things quiet down overnight, and we'll start off tomorrow morning warm and muggy and get ready for another round of thunderstorms tomorrow. I'll let you know where we could see an isolated chance for severe weather for your TGIF coming up in less than 15 minutes.